And now I'm going to do screen sharing. We'll come to textbook, this one. Okay, and now solution of a quadratic equation by factorization already we know. I no need to explain. See here, x is the alpha is the solution of the quadratic equation, or that alpha satisfy the quadratic equation. Note that zeros of quadratic polynomial and the roots of the quadratic equation are the same. That already told in the beginning only. I told in the beginning only. Zeros of a quadratic polynomial or roots of the quadratic equation are the same only. That already told. By factorization method already we know that we know by splitting meta, and now you have to know by another method.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Still breaking, huh? Why? It's good on the signal is good. Why breaking? Now is okay now. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Solution of a quadratic equation by completing square method. In this, with this, you are going to learn the quadratic formula also. See. See here in textbook, we gave this method. Solving x square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0 is equivalent to solving x plus 2 whole square minus 9 equal to 0, which we have seen is very quick to do. In fact, we can convert any quadratic equation to form x plus a whole square minus b square. Then you can easily find its roots. That's why we have to convert the given quadratic equation in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square form. For that, you see, in that equation, the first two terms are x square and 4x. First two terms are x square and 4x. Yes, x square means it is a square side x units. X into x is the square of side x units. Okay, and 4x means we are taken rectangle. One side x, another side 4 units. L into b means 4x units. So this is a square area x square. This is a rectangle area 4x. Now if we add both, we have to get a square whole square form. For that, you see, if we add both, this is x square plus 4x. This is x square square and this is rectangle 4x. We added both. Okay. Mas the screen share is visible to all? Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Afterwards, sir, I can't see anything. You don't.
Visible, sir.
Now you visible now? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mute. Bindu, mute. Bindu. And now this x square plus 4x is split into two rectangles. 2x one rectangle, 2x another rectangle is split into two parts. One is 2x one rectangle and another one is another rectangle, two parts. 4x rectangle divided into equal parts, 2x one rectangle, 2x one rectangle he did. And then what he did, that he wrote one, that he pasted on the horizontally. See here, next figure you observe, Amma. You observe the next figure. This rectangle, two rectangles are there, one he pasted horizontally. This is the cutting pasting with activity model he did. Understand? We have two rectangles. These two rectangles, one is he attached it to horizontally. This is 2x rectangle, down 2x rectangle. Okay. And now again next to this gap is there. This gap length is a square of side 2 units. This is square of side 2 units. This we want to fill up means, I want a square of side 2 square. 2 square I want to add. Is it understand to all? In the my cursor is moving, you see. Is it understand, Amma? Here my cursor is moving. The square part I want to add. I want to fill. If I want to fill means I have to take 2 into 2 square piece. That's why I attached here in this figure 2 into 2 square piece that you attach na, that I have to minus. Whatever you extra added, I subtract. I have to subtract. That's why I subtracted this 2 into 2 square. Now this full square is x plus 2 units, x plus 2 whole square minus 2 square. This is the form you have to get, x plus 2 whole square minus 2 square. In this way, we have to convert the actually what the quadratic equation what x square plus 4x summa. This we convert into x plus 2 whole square minus 9. Why minus 9 means already minus 5 is there. Now what you got extra? Minus 4 you got. So minus 5 plus minus 4 means it equal to minus 9. Like this you have to bring. He is shown through the figure. This is geometrically. If you want to show geometrically means you can do cutting pasting activity. You can see one of the activity model we have shown here. Is it understandable everyone? In this figure, any doubt you can ask in this figure. Anyone? Or once again, I want to explain the figure.
Sir,
Ah,
this adding 2 units I did not understood, sir.
That's why here you see the figure is here. It not completely closed square. I want to square form now. If square form came means, it becomes a whole square. Okay, here gap is there. See my cursor. My cursor is here. Here gap is there. To fill up this gap means I want a square of side 2 units. 2 into 2. This side 2 units na. That's why this is a side of square 2 units. I have to add the area of a square 2 units. I have to add here. That's why here I added that. This is extra part I added. That's why the same I am subtracting 2 into 2 square. 2 into 2 square I added to this. That's why the same I subtracted 2 into 2 square. Then it becomes a whole square form. It becomes a x plus 2 whole square minus 2 square. This is the meaning. X plus 2 whole square minus 2 square. A plus B whole square minus 4. But actually in the question 5 is there na? That's why it convert into x plus 2 whole square minus 9 equal to 0. This is the way we are doing by completing square. That means this is a algebraic geometrical way. If anybody asks geometrical, this is a proof. Activity by activity method we can do like this. Now okay na now? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next
Yes,
part
sir.
doing.
Yes, sir.
Now afterwards again this sum only directly. This is a sum. This one afterwards you can know that directly x plus 2 whole square minus 9. The method of completing square. See here x square plus, now we can observe here the question x square plus 4x is there. X square plus 4x means x square plus 4x we divide into 2x plus 2x. 4x is split into 2x into 2x. Then taking x common, x of x plus 2, here 2x is left. So to get a plus b plus c whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square means I want 2 square I have to add. So that 2 square I have to subtract also. That's why this is in the form of x plus 2 whole square minus 4. X plus 2 whole square minus 4. Already minus 5 is there. Then it comes to x plus 2 whole square minus 9. X square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0 can be written as x plus 2 whole square minus 9 equal to 0. By this process of completing square, this is known as the method of completing square. Okay. This is a method of completing square. And now I am explaining once again here how we get x plus 2 whole square minus 9 means this is x square na. This is a square, you suppose. X square means x whole square means a square. Okay. Is it okay, a square? Okay, Nama? X square means x whole square. Means
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next 4x means here 2ab. You have to get 2 array. Sleeping array. Somasakra, sit properly. Sit properly. Goodbye. Don't sleep. Sleeping, watching another movie. Don't listen the class. Somebody watching another movie, sleeping time, you are listening to the class, especially maths class, you be alert. Samasyakara, sleeping mode you are, don't sleep. Can I call your parents? I'll inform to them. And somebody are watching movies, and listening my class. Then keep sir, your class, missed, keep on sir, YouTube, like that asking. When I'm explaining, you listen, then it is okay, good. Now you see, x square means x whole square. Next here, 2ab term. 2ab means 2 of a means x. So 2 of x means 2x over. Next b term I want. B term I want means in place of 2x. Next here, 2x is there. What left means 2 left. 4x means 2 into x into 2. I split like that. Understand? 4x is how I split means 2 into x into 2, amma. 2 into x into 2. I splitted 4x. 2ab. A means x. B means here I got 2. That's why I want b square term. B square means here 2 square. That's why I added 2 square. The same extra I added na. That's why I subtracted 2 square. 2 square extra came. That's why I subtracted the 2 square. That's why here x plus 2 whole square minus 2 square means minus 4 came. Already here in the question 5 is there. Minus 4 minus 5 it equal to minus 9. Hence it is in the form of a plus b whole square minus 9. This is the process. We call it as completing square method. Understand, Amma? How you got x plus 2 whole square minus 9? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now. Once you see this question, 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Sir, previous x square is there, now 3 is there. 3 cannot be written in square form. Then what I have to do means, I want to multiply by 3. Here, the full equation, because note that the coefficient of x square is not a perfect square. X square coefficient is not a perfect square. That's why we multiply the equation throughout by 3 to get a perfect square. X square coefficient is a perfect square. Here 3 is there. Here I want to get perfect square. If here perfect square is there, you don't need to multiply. Remember that. Here perfect square not there. That's why we have to make it a perfect square. That's why note that the coefficient of x square is not a perfect square. So we multiply the equation throughout by 3 to get a perfect square. Now it becomes C. 3 3s are 9x square. 3 5s are minus 15x. 3 2s are 6 is equal to 0. Now this is my new equation. It is my new equation. Now 3x square can be written as, I can written as 3x whole square. Here I know a means 3x. Minus is there na? Now minus 2ab. 2 into a means 3x. 2 3s are 6x over. Now what left? Here 15 is there. Here 6x means 6 into what you will write? You will get 15x. That you have to think, Amma. This step most important in completing square method. How we got 5 by 2? That's the most keen step. How we got 5 by 2 means here actually I want to get here 2ab. 2 into a means 3x. So 2 3 are 6x over. But here minus 15 is there. That's why 15 into 5 by 2 if I wrote. 15 into 5 by 2 I wrote. What I have to get means 3x there na 6x into 5 by 2 if I wrote 6x into 5 by 2 if I wrote, I will get 15x. 6x into 5 by 2 I wrote, 2 cancel, then I will get 15x. Like that you have to think which term if I wrote, I will get 15x. 2 into a into b. Now my b is 5 by 2. How in the previous 2? Now it is 5 by 2. B is 5 by 2. A square minus 2ab came. Still to get a square form means third term I want. B square I want to add. Now in the next step you see he did. My b square term is this. This is extra. This I added extra. 5 by 2 whole square step, I wrote extra. That's why whatever you wrote extra, that I have to do minus. That's why both should become 0. This will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, you will get 0. That's why 5 by plus 5 by 2 whole square minus 5 by 2 whole square is 0. That's why no need to do anything. Ma, no chit chatting sound. Now plus 6 already there. Now up to here, up to this part, it is in the form of, up to here, it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square means a minus b whole square. So you should try to get like this. Most important key step is to get b. How we can get b is important, Amma. This you understand means you can understand the completing square method. Anyone getting doubt, you can clarify now. Anyone getting doubt, you can clarify now. Ma, there are students. Santosh.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
How I wrote 5 by 2 here?
Yes, sir.
6x into 5 by 2 means I'll get 15x. That's why my b is 5 by 2. That's why b square I have to add. This I am adding now. This I have subtracted. 6 is common. It is there in the question only. 6. Now up to this step, it is in the form of, a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square, 5 by 2 whole square is minus 25 by 4 plus 6. This part you transpose to RHS. Only a minus b whole square you have to keep LHS side, and remaining part you have to transpose to RHS side. See, this is a step. 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 4. Then I can simplify by completing square method. Everyone understand? Amma? Completing square method. Have you understand, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
now, okay. Now, actually, I want to tell how to derive the quadratic formula through completing square method. How I can derive the quadratic formula. Thus, we learn. It is there in textbook. Derivation of quadratic formula. This is the derivation of quadratic formula. Now, consider the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. This is the general form of a quadratic equation, Amma. In this derivation of quadratic formula means this we are solving by completing square method. Here x square coefficient a is there. I don't want to get a because I can't write in square form. That's why I'm dividing throughout the equation. A we get. We are dividing this equation by a, full equation dividing throughout by a. Then ax square by a means x square, bx by a means bx by a, plus c by a equal to 0. I divide by a because I want to get x square coefficient a is there. I cannot write a in square form. It is not a perfect square. That's why I divide by a. Okay. And next, that is the first step I did. We get x square plus b by ax plus c by a equal to 0. And then next important step, x square means x whole square, means your a square, a means x. Everyone should understand this is a square, a means x, plus here I want to get 2ab term, this full 2ab term I want to get. That's why 2 of a means x, 2x I wrote. Actually, according to this, I have to get 2x. But how I get b by a means, b I want in the numerator, in the denominator, I want a, and 2 should be get cancelled. Because b by ax you have to get means, I wrote plus 2 into x na, 2 into x into b by 2a. My b is b by 2a. b by 2a if I wrote, then 2 into x into b by 2a means a 2 cancel. I will get b a by x only here. That's why now what is b means here? b by 2a. b by 2a. So this is a b square I added now. So I have to add minus b by 2a whole square also plus c by a equal to 0. One step he swallow one step. What is one? That step means I am explaining that step. X square plus 2 into x into b by 2a. That is my b by 2a plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a equal to 0. So x square plus 2 into x into b by 2a plus b by 2a whole square means those three terms are in the form of a plus b whole square. A means x and b means b by 2a whole square. And now this is my minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a equal to 0. Is it okay now? This step, understand? This step. One step missing.
Sir.
This step I told. Yes.
Sir.
Yes. Tell me.
Sir, how you got x plus b by 2a, sir?
That's why I'm telling.
X plus b by 2a whole square.
Yeah, because of here you see one step he did not say. That step I'm orally I'm telling. X whole square here. My cursor is moving now. There you also write along with me. Then you can understand. Take your rough book and
Okay,
write down
sir.
Litish. X whole square first term. You wrote down. Litish, write down you. X whole square. Take your rough book and write Litish. You can understand. Litish, are you writing? Litish.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
X whole square plus 2 of x. 2 of x. But 2 not there here. Litish, you have to understand that point. 2 not there second
Yes, sir.
term. The 2 I wrote. That's why b by a is there. That's why my b2 into x into b by 2a. That b by 2a I identified.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
b by 2a. Then it equal to b by ax. Understand now? How you got b by 2a?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
Yes. Plus
Yes, sir.
this plus b square means b by 2 whole square. That is extra term. That is not there. B by 2a whole square not there. That's why that term I have to subtract. Minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a equal to 0. One step missing. That's why you are not understand. Now okay na Litish? Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
Okay. Now this is in the form of a plus b whole square. First three terms x plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a equal to 0. Okay na? And now transpose these two terms to RHS. These two. Only this side, only this part only. Only 10 minutes time. We can finish this solvation. Okay. This part only left. X plus b by 2a whole square only left LHS side and transpose these two. Then b by 2a whole square means b square by 4a square plus c by a. I can do LCM. If I do LCM, 4a square a means LCM is 4a square. 4a square into a. Here also 4a square means b square numerator and minus. Both minus one. Transposing means this one get minus. That's why. Hey.
అది వాళ్ళకరా
Hey, mute, Venkatesh, mute.
Okay.
Venkatesh, mute. No discussion, Venkatesh. Okay. And now a in 4a times 4a into c, 4ac, b square minus 4ac, you transpose to RHS, then it becomes c here. X plus b by 2a whole square equal to b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Now I want to transpose this square to that side. It becomes root. If you transpose square to this side means it becomes square root c. X plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by denominator 4a square means it is under root 4a square na, it becomes 2a. Root for only kept for numerator. See the back step. If you keep full square root, root 4a square means root square root of 4 2, a square means a 2a. That's why square root means plus or minus x plus b by 2a equal to plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now I want to transpose b by 2a also RHS side. Then x equal to minus b by 2a plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. My LCF is 2a. If we add minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. This is known it as quadratic formula. Solving by quadratic equation by quadratic formula means this you have to write directly. X equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a and minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. These are the two roots of the given quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is called the quadratic formula. See, he wrote minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This formula for finding roots of a quadratic equation is known as the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula means you have to say this one. To understand the derivation of quadratic formula means that full you have to write. Just quadratic formula means this one. Minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. A means x square coefficient, b means x coefficient, c means constant term. That already there. We can do easily. Quadratic formula is easily, amma. But this formula you have to remember. Understand all quadratic formula?
Yes, sir.
Tell me anyone what is the quadratic formula? Tell. Quadratic formula means? Tell anyone. Quadratic formula.
Minus b plus or minus
Plus or minus
root b square minus 4ac
4ac by
2a
by
2a.
2a. This you can split as two terms. These are two roots. We are telling quadratic equation has two roots. Minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Derivation you understand. Derivation sometimes maybe can ask by any set. In any set if you ask derive the quadratic formula means this full you have to write. What I explained that full you have to say. Quadratic formula means only this one. Minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. In this root there under root, this b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the equation. Discriminant d. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the equation. Using this b square minus 4ac, we can say that whether the equation having real roots exist or real roots does not exist, or real roots exist but distinct roots. Roots are equal. There are three conditions, amma. The three conditions depend upon this value. The value is b square minus 4ac. So see here already wrote. If b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0 means real roots exist. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0 means the equation will have no real roots. This is the condition, amma. That is called D, capital D. D is called discriminant. Discriminant means immediately you have to say b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the equation having real roots and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means real roots exist but they are distinct. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0 means no real roots exist. So we cannot solve. Suppose if real roots does not exist, we cannot solve the equation. It is depend upon the discriminant b square minus 4ac. It is less than 0. If it is less than 0, you no need to solve the quadratic equation. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Nature of roots means b square minus 4ac. Shrestha Charitama, you have unmuted. That's why I heard a sound. Shrestha Charita, mute your phone. Good girl. Yes. So D is called the discriminant b square minus 4ac if The nature of roots means you have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. Whether it is equal to 0 means the equation having real roots and they are equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means real roots exist but they are distinct, they are not equal. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, real roots does not exist. These are the three conditions you have to remember. And the quadratic formula means minus b, x equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. It is the derivation of a quadratic formula. And in this, the two roots are minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a, minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the equation capital D. If capital D is equal to 0, real roots exist and they are equal. If capital D is greater than 0, real roots exist but they are distinct roots, they are not equal. If capital D is less than 0, no real roots exist, we no need to solve the equation. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0 means you no need to solve that equation. This is called the nature of roots. Nature of roots means you no need to solve the equation. Only solve the equation means only we have to solve. So these are the three methods I explained. One is completing square method, another one is quadratic formula, and the third method is factorization method. The splitting method that you learn in ninth class. That you learn in ninth class. That's why I'm not stressing that more. That already learned in ninth class. T Milton and finding factors. That's why I'm not stressing. Why I'm stressing these two means these two are learning in 10th class only. Completing square method and quadratic formula. These two are you are learning in 10th class only. I think you understand that you understood that what derivation of quadratic formula most important. We have less than 1 minute time, Amma. The derivation is there already in textbook. You can see. Otherwise, I can share. I explained. I can share the recording. You can watch. Less than 1 minute time and prepare well. Tomorrow exam is there linear equation. I need to wake up any student, Amma. Calling phones. Wake up by seeing the link. Click the link and it will be open. Enter your roll number, name, answer it, submit, and then view score you see. That's all. Don't do any experiment there. Go to sign in, go to share. That all don't do. Only this process. We are doing research. We don't do more research. Babu Somasakara, kindly don't sleep and watch my class. Maths class, be alert. Be sit and properly and watch. And don't watch any film. Somebody I have heard somebody watching a film and watching my voice. Don't do. Only seconds. 5, 3. Good day. Good day.